The national capital reported 1,515 fresh COVID-19 cases today, marking its highest ever single-day spike in nearly 4 months. Yesterday, Delhi had reported more than 1,200 coronavirus cases, its highest in over 3 months. On December 18th, it had reported 1,400 plus coronavirus cases according to the official data. The city had recorded more than 1,100 cases on Tuesday. It was the first time since December 24th that the number of cases crossed the 1,000 mark. The active cases rose to 4,890 from 4,411 from a day ago. The positivity rose to 1.52%, the health bulletin said. As Mumbai witnesses an alarming rise in COVID-19 cases, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation on Thursday said that it has decided to ramp up testing and facilities available in hospitals to deal with the surge. Mumbai on Wednesday reported its highest one-day rise in COVID-19 cases so far, with more than 5,100 new infections, taking the caseload in the country's financial capital to more than 3,74,000. Meanwhile, Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar warned people of an imminent lockdown if they do not follow the norms and restrictions aimed at curbing the spread of the virus. People's consistent and complete disregard to norms is forcing us to consider imposing a lockdown or at least a night curfew, she said. She also said that most cases are being reported from high-rises and residents are refusing to adhere to quarantine and isolation norms, which is resulting in many of these structures becoming containment zones. Trinamool Congress leader Sheikh Alam's purported remark that for Pakistan can be created if India's 30% Muslims come together drew flag from the Bharatiya Janata Party on Thursday. BJP leader Amit Malviya, who is the party's co-in-charge for West Bengal, tweeted a video that showed Alam purportedly making the controversial statement. According to Malviya, Alam made the remarks at Basapara Nanur in Birbhum Assembly constituency. He obviously owes his allegiance to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Does she endorse this position? Malviya asked in a tweet on Thursday. It accompanied Alam's video. As the farmers' agitation against the centre's farm laws completes 4 months, the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, a front of protesting farmer unions, has called for a Bharat Bandh on Friday. Hundreds of farmers are camping near Delhi's border since November last year, demanding that the centre repeal the 3 new farm laws. Enacted in September 2020, the farm laws have been projected by the centre as a major reform that will remove the middlemen and allow farmers to sell their produce anywhere in the country. The protesting farmers, on the other hand, have expressed apprehension that the new laws would pave the way for eliminating the safety cushion of the minimum support price and do away with the mandi system, leaving them at the mercy of the big corporates. Appealing for support on March 26, the Bharatiya Kisan Morcha tweeted that in order to make Bharat Bandh successful, all the district president, block president, tehsil president and top officials should coordinate to ensure that the bandh is made successful. Suspended police officer Sachin Vazay, arrested in the Mukesh Ambani explosive scare case, had a considerable amount unexplained of ammunition in his house and should be questioned further, the National Investigation Agency said today. Sachin Vazay's remand with the agency, which is investigating the whole issue, ends today. Sachin Vazay claimed that he is being made a scapegoat in the case, but the court agreed with the probe agency and granted them further custody till April 3rd. We want the custody of the accused for further investigation, the NIA told the court. 62 bullets have been found from Sachin Vazay's house, which are unaccounted for, the investigators said. Only 5 of the 30 bullets given for his service revolver have been found. The accused is not telling where the rest went, the NIA added. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.